Yesterday, I made some real progress and migrated the data. Today, I need stability. I have 4 things to do. First is to create the monitoring cluster. After that, I'm gonna need to connect the production cluster into the monitoring cluster. Once everything is connected inside the monitoring, I'm gonna check that the metrics are correctly displayed inside the Signals interface. I'm also still going back and forth with Apple regarding the release of the subscription for the Task and Note app. Apparently, they could not locate the paywall, so I've explained to them where it's located, and we'll see how it goes. As you can see, the metrics are correctly displayed inside Signals. I can have access to some dashboard regarding the node and usage of CPU and RAM. So it's pretty useful when you need to diagnose an issue or even read the logs when something is crashing. So that's a good step forward. Now that the monitoring is working fine, I've tried to install a VPN with WireGuard, but my experimentation didn't work as expected. Basically, what happened was that I could connect to the VPN, but I wasn't able to access the Kubernetes API or the database or anything that's internal. So it didn't work. I'm gonna do a bit of freelance work. Then maybe if I have time, I'll try again. I finished working for my client. I thought about the VPN situation. I'm still working on the VPN situation, and I think that WireGuard is still the best solution overall. I just need to figure out how to install and configure it. Lately, I've been quite extensively using GitHub Copilot. I've asked it to generate me a tutorial on how to install WireGuard and configure it for my needs. And it came up with a tutorial pretty good, which we can see here. And I'm gonna try it now. I'll keep you posted today or tomorrow. Today was a pretty good day overall. First, I've managed to install the monitoring and have the monitoring of the production and all the services available. Also, I've submitted a new version of the app to Apple, and I hope that they validate it and find the paywall with the instruction I've given them. Finally, I've made some progress for my client. Everything is working great for now. It's been mixed between progress and roadblocks, but we're getting there. Next step is finishing the last touches on the VPN, and then I'm gonna try to submit the Note app to Apple and start building the new email app while adding new features into the existing apps. So, pretty good day. See you tomorrow.